Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, it has now gotten to that stage where Yoruba soldiers are now having to come to church and give testimony and praise for having come back from Boko Haram Malami territory where they have been deployed. So now the Malami Boko Haram something is nothing to do with the Yoruba race, and it's certainly nothing to do with Christianity. So why would you then send a Yoruba soldier to Bornu or whatever to go and be fighting Boko Haram when Boko Haram is nothing to do with the Yorubas or nothing to do with Christianity? Is their Malami something and their religion something? So why don't they then contend with it by themselves? So I bring you this. A Nigerian soldier, Akinola Olarotimi, took to his Facebook page to deeply appreciate God after himself and 62 of his colleagues who left Lagos for an assignment in the northeast where Boko Haram carries out serious attacks, all returned alive. Posting via his Facebook page, Rotimi wrote, 187 days ago, I knelt down on this same altar in the northeast to beg God on our arrival on this special assignment. 187 days ago, my humble self and 62 gallant officers arrived in the northeast on this special assignment. 187 days ago, I knelt down on this altar to beg God to keep us all from evil. Yes, we entered the lion's den. It was a no retreat, no surrender war. And at the end of it all, after I finished the counting, none of my men were missing. As we returned back to Lagos, and on this same altar, I am back again 187 days after to say, Father, thank you. So there you have the report of a Yoruba Christian soldier being sent to Bornu State to go and fight the Islamic Hausa Fulani war with Boko Haram. So now what is this guy's business with the Islamic Hausa Fulani war with Boko Haram? So the Hausa Fulani war with Boko Haram is their sectarian circumstances, which is unfortunate, which we support them in. But why would you then send a Yoruba Christian to go to that front line to go and do that battle? What is his business with it? What is his interest in it? What is his stake in that fight? This is really where the question is. And this guy now had to put his life at risk and to put his family on edge for 187 days because the Malamis are battling each other. For whatever reason, the Malamis are always killing each other. So now, why then would you want to involve a Yoruba and a Christian? So this is really where the question is. So this is the conversation I'm inviting in this video. A Nigerian Christian Yoruba man being sent to Bornu to go and be fighting the Malami wars. Is this what we are now having to contend with? Is this a new law? Conversations in the comment section. But before you come join me to have a conversation in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, bell button so you are notified every time I drop a video. Then once you've done that, come have this conversation with me in the comment section. But I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section. But here I say peace.